Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Days. And in this video series, you are learning how to convert from Photoshop or HTML to WordPress. And in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add uh, contact form 7 plugin. So let's click here, go to plugin section, install plugin, and then click on add new. And then contact form 7. Okay, so this is the contact form 7. Now just click on this and install. Install now. Now let's activate it. Contact form 7 is one of the very plugin for contact form. Now let's a new menu came here, you can see in the left side. So click on contact form and then let's go to pages section, and we had created a page called contact, so just edit this page and remove this and simply paste this code. This is called short code. Now let's try to open the contact page, and you can see the form here. So it's really very easy. Now suppose you want to add few more fields. For example, there is no field of phone number, you want to add that phone number. So what you will do, let's go to contact form here, and then edit this. Now suppose you need one more field here, say after email ID. Okay, so just remove this and click on text. So name it as phone number. ID attribute if you want to give, or class attributes, no, you don't need that. Just copy this text, insert that. Okay, this rename it as phone number, your phone, and then refresh it, and you can see the phone number here. So you can add as many fields as you want from here in the contact form. Also, you can change the email ID, or in which email the customer or the user will send email. So in which email ID it will go. So by default, it's showing the default email ID. You can also change here so that the email will go to that email ID. Okay, guys. So now you have learned that how to integrate the contact form 7 form in your theme. So that was that, and so that's the end of uh, this series. So in next series I will show you more complex theme, okay, in which there will be slider, there can be drop down menus and many other things. This was the first and very simple project which I had shown you that how you can convert from PSD or HTML to WordPress. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe our video in YouTube. Thank you. Bye bye for now.